Sarkar. So let's know her a little more. Hi ma'am.
Hello.
So just tell us, like, since when have you started singing?
Well, singing has come when I was born, so because music was inbuilt in me. And my mom is a singer but not a professional one. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था that I will be becoming a singer because basically I'm an MBA by qualification and I'm an HR by profession. So मैंने singing I have actually taken up when I came to Mumbai. And from then onwards things turned up in such a way that my career shifted from an HR profession to a singer.
Okay, so like, have you been taking lessons from anybody?
I have taken my lessons from my mom a bit, and right now I'm taking it from Gunawali Sabaji.
Oh, okay.
He's a music director. He's not the Pakistani Gunawali ji, but he is from India and he's a music director. He has given music in more than 50 films and he is teaching me.
Alright, so where are you based basically?
Basically, I'm from Kolkata, but right now I'm based in Bombay.
Right, so when did you shift to Bombay?
Bombay, actually I shifted 3 years back. I was doing my MBA at that point of time and actually I participated in a reality show called Indian Idol. So I had reached the top 50 level of Indian Idol, but since I had to take up my MBA and finish my MBA, so I didn't go ahead with that. So once I finished my MBA, then I shifted totally. That was 1.5 years back when I just shifted totally. I put my base in Bombay.
Okay. When you came to Bombay, it was not decided that you wanted to become a singer?
No, not at all. Because after Indian Idol, there was nothing as such. I came with a job in Bombay because I just finished my MBA. My results were not out. So I was working. But as destiny would want, I had, I got through another reality show called Sunsil Gang of Girls, which was aired on Zoom channel, and I happened to be the winner of that show. It was basically a reality show whereby we were 5-member band, all girl band, and as I was the winner of the show as the best performer of the show. Yeah, and from then onwards I had decided that work is not my cup of tea. I would like to carry on with my music.
Absolutely. So what are the projects that you have been doing till date?
After Sunset Gang of Girls, I basically had sung in some of the small projects. I've done some playback, and in one of the film called Humne Jeena Seekh Liya, which was not a very big budget film, but the song was quite famous. And then after that, I got to sing in an album which was released by Vision Corporation, and the album's name was Kehkasha, whereby my song was also picturized. And then onwards I had started working on my own compositions, and because I am a professional writer also, so I happened to come up with my own album. Well, Bindas, basically it projects my character, which I think that in many ways I'm Bindas. I just don't care what the world thinks about me. But the song depicts that, and but it's not only not only fast numbers that is there in this album. It is basically a mood album whereby I have some soft numbers, I have some fast numbers, and some of the rockish numbers.
Alright.
Because I'm from MTV Rock.
Okay,
So
that's
rock
great.
is one of my genre. And then I actually started composing these songs way back in 2007. In a sense that I was writing the songs and I never knew the tune that what it will be. I started writing and tunes happened to come into my mind, and from then onwards I have developed quite a number of songs till date, and 6 of them are there in that album.
Okay. So like, from where did you get an idea, or from where did you get an inspiration to write the songs?
Well, inspiration, I might say that it has always been my dream that I produce my own album. I create my music. Basically, I'm very oriented to creativity rather than only doing playback singing. So I thought that there are very less music directors in Bollywood scenario. So why don't I step into that also? So I just thought, and it just happened. It just happened, and 1 + 1 + 1 + 1. It just went
So
into
many
it.
numbers to this.